Hi everyone, welcome to the class. Today we have a maths olympiad problem which is xy is equals to 10, yz is equals to 20, zx is equals to 30. We have been asked to find the x plus y plus z. So without further ado, let's start with the solution. Okay, so let's consider this as equation 1, this as equation 2 and this as equation 3. Multiply these three equations here, 1, equation 2 and equation 3. So on the left hand side it would be xy into yz into zx. On the right hand side it would be 10 into 20 into 30. Now we can see there are the two occurrences of each letter here. So it would be x square into y square into z square. And on the right hand side it would be 10 into 20 are 200 into 30 it would be 6000. We can take the exponential 2 as a common, so it would be x, y, z to the whole bracket square is equals to 6000. Now let's take square root on both the sides, so it would be square root of x, y, z bracket square is equals to square root of 6000. This square root and square gets cancelled out. So remaining x, y, z is equals to square root of 6000. Now how do we find out the square root of 6000? Because we do not know that by heart. So let me simplify it. Writing as a 6000 and we are going to divide it by 2. So it would be 3000. Now let's divide it once again by 2. It would be 1500. Let's divide by 2 once again. 750. Once again with 2, it would be 375. Now let's divide it further with 5. So it would be 75. Once again with 5, it would be 5 ones are 5 and 5 5s are 25. And one last time with the 5, it would give us remaining 3. The multiplication of this 2, 3, 4, this is 16, this is 25 and this is 15. XYZ should be 16 into 25 into 15. So square root of 6000 is nothing but square root of 16 into 25 into 15. Now we know a formula, square root of a into b, it can be written separately as square root of a into square root of b. So let's use that and write it further in our equation. So x, y, z, it would be square root of 16 into square root of 25 into square root of 15. We know square root of 16 is 4, square root of 25 is 5 and square root of 15 as it is. Finally, xyz is equals to 4 5s are 20 square root of our value of xyz. We have been asked the value of x plus y plus z. So these are the three values that we know from our problem statement, and I have written the value of xyz that we have found out just now as at 3 places. So with this, what we are going to do is, let's put the value of xy as 10 here, which would be 10 into z is equals to 20 square root of 15. So value of z, it would be dividing by 10 on the both side, it should be 2 square root of 15. Now the value of yz is 20. So let's keep x as is. Yz is 20 is equals to 20 square root of 15. So the value of x would be, this gets cancelled out, and square root of 15. Value of x is square root 15. Now here we know xz is equals to 30. So xz is here, keeping y separately first, then xz as 30 is equals to 20 square root 15. Now y would be 0, 0 gets cancelled out, 3 gets here on the denominator side, it should be 2 square root of 15 divided by 3. So these are the value of x, y and z, and we have been asked to find out the value of x plus y plus z. So simply keeping the value of x, y and z in this, so it would be square root of 15 plus y is 2 square root of 15 divided by 3 plus z is 2 square root 15. Now to make the common denominator as 3, we can multiply this 3 with this. It should be 3 of square root 15 plus 2 square root 15 as it is, plus 3 2s are 6 square root of 15 whole divided by 3. And it would be 3 plus 2, 5, 5 and 6 are 11 square root 15 divided by 3. So this is the value of x plus y plus z. So this is our final value. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I hope you have enjoyed this solution of the problem statement, and for more such videos, please follow along. Thank you so much.